The magic spice. In a small village, there lived a girl named Maya. Maya loved to cook with her mother. They made many tasty dishes. One day, Maya's mother gave her a special spice. It was bright red and smelled wonderful. "This is magic spice," her mother said. "You can make any food delicious with it." Maya was excited. She wanted to try the magic spice in her cooking. That evening, she decided to make rice and vegetables. She took the spice and sprinkled it on the rice. The red spice danced on the white rice, making it look beautiful. When dinner was ready, Maya called her family. "Come and eat," she said with a big smile. Her father, brother, and sister sat at the table. They looked at the colorful food and felt hungry. Maya served the rice and vegetables. Everyone took a bite. "Wow," her father said. "This is the best rice ever." Her brother and sister agreed. They all enjoyed the meal and asked for more. Maya felt happy. The magic spice made her family smile. After dinner, they played games and laughed together. That night, Maya learned something special. It was not just the spice that made the food delicious. It was the love and joy they shared as a family. From that day on, Maya used the magic spice in all her cooking. But she knew the real magic was in being together with her loved ones.